Okay, in this screencast we're going to show how to install MS SQL Express for the use with OP SmartDesk. We've downloaded the Express Advanced 64-bit edition. Once you've downloaded that, the download link is actually on the page just below. Once you've downloaded that and you've got that on your server, simply double click it to start the install process. Run it and let it do its thing. There's no special requirements, we just need the database services and the management console installing, and then we'll go through the actual setup of the database itself. So once you get to this point here, we want to do a new SQL Server installation. If you already have an SQL Server in place and you want to use that, you can do so. Just skip forward to the point where we actually create the database. So accept the terms, click Next. In this particular case we are going to skip the scan because we don't need to check for updates as this server doesn't have access to the internet. So what we'll do is just wait for the installer to finish checking. Okay, so as we've got the advanced services here, it's ticked everything. Quite happy to leave it as it is. If you want to change any of the source directories, that's fine. The main thing here is that we have the database engine services ticked. We don't need these two here. We can take them out, or you can leave them, and it's entirely up to you. And we don't need reporting services. So then once you've done that, we'll click Next. You can leave the instance as it is, that's not a problem, SQL Express, or you can change the instance for whatever name you've got if you've already got that there. Some people name the instance OPSD, but we'll leave this one as it is for now. This is absolutely fine, we can just click Next on this one. Now here we need to have SQL in mixed mode. This is the SA administrator password which you need to put in, and it has to be complex, so it's got to have one uppercase character and at least one numerical character in there. It's already added the administrator there, so that's fine. We can click Next on that one, Next again, and now it will go through the installation. What we'll do is I'll pause it for now and come back as soon as that's finished. So there we go, the installation of SQL Server is complete. No great dramas there, you can see everything succeeded. Simply close it out, and we're good to go. In the next screencast, what we'll do is we'll go through the actual creating of the OP SmartDesk database and the permissions required for that. So see you in the next screencast.